Morning, beautiful people. What is up, beautiful people? I am back for another Dreadlocks video. I make other kinds of videos. If you're only here for dreads, I make motivational videos. I'm working on workout videos. I'm also working on doing some social experiments here and there, collabing with a couple different people. So with that being said, please stay tuned for more quality content. Go check out my other content. There will be some at the very end of this video. I'll pull up a card and you can choose one of my previous videos. I'll put a dread video, and then I'll also put a video that I made that's not wearing dreadlocks. But I'm wearing the same hoodie from the last video because yes, I did just record the last video. But who cares? Because it's another dread video. And we're about to talk about these locks. And I want to tell you, the reason I don't like my dreadlocks sometimes. So the biggest reason is like sometimes, you know, you look at yourself in the front, or you see the front, right? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Let me show you the back of this head. Yes, it's naughty. Yes, it's natty. Yes, I embrace it because it is what it is. But I do this to my own self. When I first started growing my dreads, I was very impatient, so please be patient with your freeform locks. Trust me, I want to be. If you're watching this video, please be patient. It's going to be worth it in the end. But basically what I'm saying though is, as a result of my impatience, one day I grabbed a comb quite similar to this one, right? I went to the back of my hair. My hair is probably like this long, right? It's probably like around here, maybe an inch long, right? I went to the back of my head, grabbed the end of the tooth of the comb, and just started yanking this mother trucker. I just said, you know, I just started going at it. And I was like, yes, finally the back is gonna lock up, and my dreadlocks are gonna be so live, my freeform locks, yes, they're live. But I wish I didn't do that to the back. I'm really curious as to how it would have turned out otherwise. And that's just my one blemish from the back of my head. Also, I have this one right here. It's just connected to the bottom. It kind of just split off a while ago and it did its own thing. I like to reference that one as a rat tail, whatever, call it dirty, whatever you want to call it, but hey, it's my hair, I'm embracing, I love it. And a big pro about it recently is because my hair, obviously, I'm pretty recognizable, right? So I've been able to go out into the city and run into people that I've known before, but also meet new people that will remember me because of my hair primarily, right? So, also, the Connect Collective. This is the shirt, it's my logo. I use my hair as the logo because I really wanted to embrace the whole journey. You know, I wanted to use my face and make, you know, to connect my personal brand. I wanted to use the biggest thing that makes me stand out, makes me different, to really make me a better person, to make me reach more people like yourself. And that's why you're tuning into the video, right? So, aside from the back of it being so annoying, something else that I did not like so much is as your hair gets longer, the time it takes to dry and wash it. Sometimes I get lazy and just decide not to wash it for like a month maybe. Yeah, call it dirty, but it's perfectly fine because I maintain my hair when I wash it. I'll make sure that it's fully dry so that way no kind of bacteria, nothing like that can build up. And if you're a person that doesn't have dreadlocks, you probably don't understand that whole thing. You're probably thinking to yourself, you know, that's disgusting. But in reality, it's pretty common. If you think about it, if you left your hair alone, right, for a very long time, not as long as like a month is not that long of a time, but say you left your hair alone for a long time, you might run into issues where you have buildup or you have bacteria and stuff like that because you didn't maintenance it properly. And water is a big killer for dreadlocks. So you want to make sure that you properly dry your hair whenever you're maintaining it. I think I should have said that in the maintenance video, but hopefully you're watching this one in the maintenance video and you'll watch the video and the dry video that's coming soon. It has already dropped. But pretty much, aside from that, also something that I hate is how like, so I have very Afrocentric hair, as you can see. This part right here is just growing so much of this push. This used to hang in front of my face, down here just like this, right? Had a little Chief Keef going on. But now it's gotten so voluminous or voluptuous, bodacious, that it's pushed up so much, and like the back right here is, you probably can see more so on camera than in person, is just like pushed up right here. Which I don't necessarily mind because it gives it its own unique touch, but sometimes it can get under my skin because here and there, like this part of the hair would just go crazy, and I don't like that sometimes. But I mean, obviously, that's not something I can really control competition and address the back. I'm not sure what I really want to do with that, but we'll find out later as the journey continues. But pretty much that sums up two of the things I hate the most about my hair. Actually, three things that I hate the most about my freeform locks. But trust me, if you be patient with it, you maintenance it very well. It doesn't have to be the best, like the very best maintenance, but you maintain it. You take your time, you enjoy the process. One day you can have some naughty life like me, and people will know who you are just because you walk around with a crazy head full of hair. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned for more quality content and bring more motivational videos, things with more energy, more vibes, and more comedy. So please stay tuned. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Check out lacunacollective.com, lacunacollective.com for more merch. If you want to pick up your own piece of my head, a piece of me, you can get, dang. If you want a piece of me, go ahead and pick up your piece of Lacuna merch. It means a lot to me. Go ahead and check it out. I'll start dropping discount coupons for those who stay to the end of the video from here on out. So yeah, go ahead and type in LC10 if you want to type this out for your next purchase. With that being said, I will catch you guys on the flip. You have an amazing, beautiful, beautiful, awesome, fantastic, phenomenal day. And I'll catch you on the next video. Deuces, cue the outro.
You can do it, mean.